time to do the first test load in the newly rescued twin tub portable washing machine. Got the hose hooked up to the sink, and I'm probably doing some rags and a load of other things in there. And you're watching Florence Ballard A3060 on film. Florence Ballard A3060.
Doors will open on the right-hand side.
It's a little bit of a crude setup, but I've got our detergent here is Tesco Orange Blossom and Pomegranate Gel. Put some of that in there. There's a bit of water already in there, so put some of that in there. Use lots of it. Here we go. Right, so here we go. So that's going to be in there. What the idea to do is to mix up the detergent as we wait. Right. Let's get some water flowing in. So I've got it connected to a hot tap. Hope I don't get sprayed with water. Do it that way, I think. I'll use the water before it's too dry. Nice hot water there. And what I'll do is, while we're filling up, turn the wash timer on. So mixing the detergent first. It's on standard as well. At last, use up the gel. Put a bit of water. Salt as well. Okay, so the best thing to do is to mix the detergent in first before adding the clothes. Alright, I'll let it get to the bottom of the filter and then we'll do it from there. Good. Alright, we're in. Let's start adding the load. So we've got some rags. Just throw that in. Load J-cloths first. A lot of these are just clean and I'm just refreshing them in there. The water's about 45 I'd say in there, so it's not too hot because these things don't really like too much heat. Turn over. Oh yeah, a bit rocky. Pillowcases too. There we go. Have more water if needs be. Add a bit more and water, I think, in there. Rocking a bit as well. Quite vigorous the action on that, so I've got it going for about 9 minutes. We'll do. Oh, the camera getting steamed up as well. And the spin dryer, that'd be a bit of a difficult one. nothing, or is it? Not very good pressure on our hot water, and it's on a 100-foot hose, so excuse the crudeness. That'll be it, I think. Shut the hot water off now, and you can watch that. Open the hose and just let out any water that's still in there, because there'll be pressure in there. Is that all? Yeah. There you go. Very vigorous action, and close the lid. Use one of these. Shouldn't rock as much now. Very smashy. And that filter will be picking up a lot of lint from there as well. I'll drain this will be fun, because I've got to drain it all the way. See, one reason you have to be careful about filling it with too hot water, because you see the water through there. It makes that soft, it can warp. You've got to be careful, it's not too hot. So that's what I made sure. So I'll say most of this stuff is clean anyway, really. Vigorous action, that is. I'm just throwing this out for whatever reason. Oh, you get the gist of it now. To show the soft setting, watch this, look. It will slow it, if I turn it, see? It increases it by a little bit if you do it on standard. This is the soft setting, so it's slightly shorter. How's that looking? Pretty good. Yeah. It's on standard now. Pretty sudsy, nice. Wash has finished, and what I'm going to do is show that this can be used. I'm going to find a way to it's up somewhere. They're behind actually. So I've put a Jubilee clip on that to try and keep that together. So our cold water pressure is quite heavy. Right. So excuse the crudeness as I say it's on the balcony. What I want to show you is this can do two things at once. So we do first get a bit knotted. You just take it over. So we'll spin part of the load in here, and then I'll continue letting one half wash. Now, I don't know what this spin dry is going to be like with water. There you go. So I can do that lot in the spinner, and there's still some in here to wash. do, close this lid first. There's no spinner lid in this, so I've got to hope it just stays ever. Now what I'll do, there's no separate control for spin, it literally is just turn the dial. So say we do 1 minute spinning. Spinning that out. Now I've got the drain hose at the side, but I'm not going to do that just yet. So say it's 1 minute spinning. At the same time, turn the wash timer on, standard. Do both then. Continue washing that lot. At the same time that's spinning. Not a very bad spinner either, it spins right out, it's quite silent. For that lid there, if I had one of these I was keeping, I'd remove that lid, because it's this lid that needs to be locked, not that one down there. I'll turn that off now. That's quite spun quite well. So what I can do is I'm not going to wash any more, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the whole lot in the spin dryer, so that's all done. I've done it as a load size that I could just sort of wash everything together. There you go. And put that lot on top. Make sure I use a pillowcase as a means of that becomes the mat in that. Close the wash lid as well, and then. Sound. That all goes into the outer tub. It's like a tub here at the end. There's a bit more water coming out. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drain the water first, because I can hear water being picked up in the outer tub, and then I'll demonstrate the rinsing function. So again, it's going to be a bit hard to show with that, but let's see what we can do. So what you do for this one, take the hose, it's gravity drain, and literally drop it down. I'll just try and aim it that way. There you go. You'll see, turn that to drain. It opens the valve, so you see there, gravity, and I open it, it drains the wash tub. So just do, yeah. Oh, it doesn't allow you to. That's alright, this is off the floor, so there's no way water can touch the electricals, and it's got studs on the bottom about that's all. Obviously the only drain I've got is there. Okay, then when we finish draining, pick the hose up, hook it back on the side here, and then the wash tub will be rinsed out. Now what I'm going to do is turn the spinner on, or actually open the valve to allow open this, probably see some water coming in there. Open that a bit more. There you are. And then what you could do is just sort of, you could just agitate it through like that. You can have that going while the thing's spinning. So it's a bit like a, you know, Hoovermatic. Some people prefer to rinse in the actual tub because you get a better rinsing performance. I just sort of spin it around and let that go through. It's not the most powerful because I haven't got our water up. Most powerful. Yeah. Little fun feature. It's not meant to be automatic anyway, like I say, it's just meant to be Yeah, close that and we'll get the thing spinning. So there you go. That's now rinsing. You can see the water coming in through there. That's rinsing and spinning at the same time. Water off. That's how we do it, sir. That's how we do it. Don't need to let it go for too long. If I open the lid, coast down to a stop. Again, open the lid again. I'll do about 3 rinses. Do that and just go. Make sure everyone gets a good rinse. What I will do is drop the hose again on the floor just to let some of the water out. Because when you're spinning, water will build up in the outer tub. I wish that was a bit more powerful, you know. But just remove the load, see, let it go through. Unbalanced. Even on balance, it's actually really steady. And I was spinning the water out and letting it drain. And this rinse will add a bit of conditioner in there. It's satisfying doing this, it is. Click off. Yeah. Right. We'll do. Turn the water on. I'll lift the hose for this one so I don't drain the water straight away. Just going to open the tap a bit more. A bit higher pressure now I should have. There we go. Right to the centre of it. Right. Bit of this stuff through there. Yeah. Let that filter through. Motorbike alarm, can't worry about that. There we go. Put the hose down and spin for about 2 minutes. That's all there is to it. So doing a slightly longer spin. Now what I'll do is I'll switch that to drain. And what I'll do now is while that's spinning, I'm going to rinse out the wash tub. For a crude setup, I actually wouldn't do that. A bit of water coming out of the hose there. So, yeah, that's spinning now. So what I'll do is, there's a bit of sand still left in the wash tub, so while that's spin drying, see, get it all in there. Just open that up and just hair lock, I think. Yeah. So just yeah, just wash around the sides. There's still some water in there, it's draining out, I think. Right, here we go. Perfect. Too much stupid music over there. Okay, yeah, it's spun dry quite well. They smell nice too. Actually quite ready for the dryer, which is the insert dryer when we're using that. There we go. Again, I'll give that a quick blast there. Get rid of any conditioner remnants there. Wash it on one last rinse. Tiny bit there. So, all done. Oh. And I'll leave those. Give the spinner just one quick. No, just to trim off some of the water. Okay. And then last but not least, hook this back up on there. Alright guys, so we're done there. There's the load currently in the dryer. So that's it. This was the generic branded twin tub portable washing machine, showing both the wash and the spin dry function with some rinsing involved as well. It's great fun, glad we rescued this, got it for free. Just need to do something about that lid. I may try and cover that up and then see if we can then put something there, I don't know. Shame we just couldn't find another one of those. Good if it had ended up inside the machine, but hey, I don't think it has. No, I can't see anything there. Okay, well, that's that guys. I'll leave that to air and then we'll bring that back in when we get some of this rain coming here. It's stormy. Thank you very much for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did, and don't forget to keep it supreme and go with the flow.